Come here, come here. What are you stealing over there, Randy?
Nothing.
I saw something in the drawer. What? Hey! Wait, what are you stealing, Randy?
Nothing.
Here, we need to use nothing.
Nothing.
What's
I'm
in
going
your
to
hands?
admit on film.
What's in your hands?
Nothing.
What's in the other hand? Well, hold both hands out. Who are you just flipping off?
Those three freaking numbskulls over there.
Oh.
And the fourth one right there.
They can't, nobody can hear him.
Well, yell at him, dude. He just said that I'm old and feeble and I don't know what I'm thinking about. I don't know what's going on in my brain.
How many people does it take to look at a box?
What?
Apparently
you guys speak
3.
louder, Randy.
I don't know. Go get one of them. Cheeto, why does it take 3 people to look at that box? That's what Randy's asking.
Because he can't read past the 5th grade.
That's why it takes 3 people.
Oh, because they can't get past 2nd grade.
So each one of you guys like know a few words and put them together?
Yes.
Okay.
Takes 3 to make 1 Randy.
You okay with that? Well, it doesn't matter. Go back to work.
Oh, you're gonna help him?
Hey, should we tell people what's happening in Dazzle's life?
I thought we were gonna do story time about that. Sit down.
We'll do story time later on.
We'll bring the couch out and do story time.
There's some big changes in Dazzle's life coming up.
And yours.
Yeah.
And yours.
And mine.
Yeah.
Really friggin' weird. Anyways. All right, so we got our gray truck. It is being wrapped up right now. This is a shop truck with a full 6-passenger seating in there, stretch seating, Duramax conversion, heavy-duty cooling package. We've got the fan or the shroud around here. This seals up the whole radiator stack, so it locks it down and forces all the air inside the cooling stack, which is really important because it's not as efficient as, say, like a Chevy truck. You have a Chevy truck that has a vertical radiator, all the air is hitting directly in there, it's force feeding through there. This situation, the air has to turn and go down through it and then back out. So a lot less effective, so you have to compensate for that with a larger radiator, larger intercooler, larger AC condenser, larger coolers up there. So all of that stuff comes into play when you've got this massive Duramax diesel engine going on, putting out almost 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. But check this out. So we're not done with it. Rocker panel protection going on right now. This is our step design. So there's gonna be a step integrated right in here. We're test fitting it on the truck right now because of the back doors here. I'm not sure if you could, oh shit.
Don't mess up their work.
Damn it, Ernie.
Come on.
Yeah, see what happens?
Albie's over here working hard,
Oh, what the hell? And I
getting
hardly ever
this
do that.
done, and you go and mess up their work.
I don't know,
No,
sorry,
you're fine. That's just the top. We just went a little higher just to protect it.
All right, so
Yeah, you guys are good.
let me pull it down just a little bit. So what's going on here is it's not like a normal truck. Check this out.
Hold on.
You got
you
got stretch seating. So normally the back panel here is right about here. We've moved it all the way back to here. By moving it back here, what that does is it allows the seat to move all the way back here. So huge upgrade, but the problem with that is right back here, check this out. So the rocker panel protection down here has a completely different angle on it. So we had to extend it out and then brought it up here. So normally this panel right here is about 4 or 5 inches in. So big change there. We're trying to figure that out right now so we can get this thing wrapped up. Hopefully on the road beginning of next week and then wrapped up by the end of the week. So that's what we're working on right now. But check out the interior. Interior's coming along really well. We've got all the carpet in place over here. We've got the headliner going in place. Brand new C-pillar up here, which is a chrome only design. We're using much stronger material than the factory one, and we bring it up a lot higher up here, and then that also gives us more headroom. So instead of having this panel, this cover like this, it drops down about 4 inches or so. The one that we've created that goes across here only comes down about 1.5 inches or so. So completely different design there. And then we did suede on the upper half, so everything is suede on the top half. Bottom half is all leather.
Alcantara.
Yeah, whatever.
People like the word Alcantara, not
I do.
suede.
Okay, yeah. Alcantara, not fake suede.
Yeah, exactly.
I guess that does sound better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else you
Just
got going
trademark a name, just create a cool name and go with it.
It's Tommy.
Wiring right now, tying up all the lights together in a fuse block.
Ryan. He's got a stack. Ryan's mic'd up. There's
You got talk.
I'm not comfortable with that. Probably can't see it right.
Yeah.
I'm not comfortable with your headlight on.
This is what Jason needs right here. You don't need the big old contraption anymore.
We tried one of those. They don't work out too well.
Gotta get a tool truck. Yeah. They double.
All right, so Tommy's working on all the electrical, wrapping that up. All the lighting has already been pulled into place, but we're throwing in a Wayland system. Wayland system pretty much is cop lights. So, boxes. Hey, where's the module for it?
Oh, maybe it's inside. Sure.
Oh, okay. Where's it at? Okay, cool. So this is a CENTCOM Sapphire system. It's a CAN bus design, and ultimately we're utilizing this as all the lights are going to be fed into here. There's going to be some flashing lights on here as well. All the off-road lights are going to be integrated, and then we have a switch little control panel that it goes to that you can control the flash pattern as well as which lights are turning on and off. So very flexible unit. A lot of cop cars have this and our vehicles. So pretty sick design. Jared's working on that as well as the interior panel going in. Shoot, I think we've got like 6 guys on this truck. Really busy wrapping this thing up. Oh, also our new shock system, remote reservoir shock system. And it's one of those things where
You can't really see it right now.
Yeah.
The reservoir you can see.
no, we actually had a viewer that saw this and said, hey, what about those quick disconnect dual isolating systems? And I was like, that's brilliant. I don't know why I didn't think of that. So awesome feedback from our YouTubers. I appreciate that very much. Thank you. Because what that's done for us is it allows us to put the shock in the factory system. The factory mounts on there and everything fits in there perfect. And then you just do a quick disconnect and snap it back together. You're not losing any fluid, and get that system bolted in without having to create virtually thousands of dollars of mounts, custom design mounts. And you know what? I think I
That's
have.
when we were trying to figure out the top half.
Check this out. Yeah. So we have one over here. I think it's over here still. Oh, also next week.
Notice it's cleared out.
Yeah, it's really clear, right? We have a brand new Haas, state-of-the-art, VF3, SSYT, 4th axis on there, all kinds of really cool bells and whistles, auto probing. I mean, you literally go up and it kind of Ryan proofs the machine. You just go up and push it once and it starts and does the entire production run. It's pretty rad. So that is coming in next week. And it's gonna fit right here. So we gotta move some of this stuff out, and we'll actually have a walkway right through this area here with 2 mills running. Randy is gonna be really pissed because he hates loud sounds, but he's got his headphones on and I don't know, he'll deal with it. But so here is one of the mounts that we printed up, and you can see it's just out of plastic. That's one of the advantages with the 3D printer. We have like 4 or 5 different 3D printers, depends on what we're doing here, but we can print up prototype pieces. So instead of machining them out of like a billet aluminum or billet steel, we can actually just print them up and say, okay, will this work? And this actually works out well because Josh goes in here, designs it up, we hit print, and the next morning come in, pop the part off the bed, and it's ready to go. We can test fit it. And in this situation, it worked out very well because this cost us maybe, I don't know, probably $100 of Josh's design time and $3 in plastic to find out that we're not going to go this route. So we saved a lot of money by utilizing the plastic printer, the 3D printer, versus fabbing up out of steel, which we would have done in the past, spent probably $300 or $400 in labor plus material. So yeah, it just makes sense. And there's some, I don't know where.
Over here, Ryan.
You'll deal with it. You'll be fine. Well, they probably just can't hear you, huh?
Yeah, or hear you.
Yeah. I'm Instagramming, bro. I'm Instagramming.
That's texting. That's not Instagram.
That's the same thing, right? And Instagramming, you text to your friends.
Yeah.
Or TikToking. Hey, Flo, do you TikTok? You TikTok?
I don't do no videos, but yeah, I have TikTok.
Yeah. What do you do on TikTok?
Nothing, just check out everybody else's videos.
Yeah, cool.
That's what I use: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Just check everybody's videos.
Just to creep on people, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
All right, so I don't. You keep on like. I have a friggin' like. Why are you
in your bubble?
Dude, a little personal space, bro. Yeah, Jason. Just like, dude. All right.
So what do we got up there?
It's a Tesla.
What?
It's a
I
Tesla.
don't think people are gonna like that you called the G a Tesla.
I don't like the fact that you don't know what that is.
It's a G.
Then why'd you ask me what it was? I mean, I get the fact that you went to public school, Vista High School.
I went to the same school
it's pretty
you
bad.
went to.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that backfired on me, didn't it? Yeah, so another G squared. We have another one here. Check this out really quick. So another G squared right here. This is with the carbon fender flares on in the rear. The carbon fender flares on the front still need to go on. Bumper should go on, and then the fender flares on the front. But just so you can see how massive these carbon fender flares are. The inside one does not have the fender flares on there just yet. Flo's wrapping that up now. Getting the rims and tires on here. This one's sick though on the flat green. Yeah. And when it came in, I thought it was a wrap, but it's not a wrap. Yeah, it's rad. Definitely Mercedes is thinking outside the box with this thing. This is badass. What are you doing, Flo?
Buttoning up the rear end here. We had to mount these shock brackets. Do you want me to hold this, Jason?
Yeah.
Clip it on your beard. now your beard finally has a purpose. Besides looking sexy.
Ah, shit. So what we got?
What's your battery life? Oh, you're good.
Oh, okay. So what we got here is I bolted on this shock bracket that holds from the shock to the rear of the lower section of the portal hubs, and we're buttoning up the rear end on this one. Still waiting on the other fender flares to come in.
You're just gonna rock that thing on your beard, huh?
Yeah.
Just act like it's not there.
Like, what was that, a cartoon character with a bird in it?
Okay, give me my mic back.
There you go. It's got a hair there.
Oh.
Ah! All right, come on.
All right, where we going now?
We gotta say bye to somebody.
Oh yeah.
No, come on. I know you're hiding. Quitters never win. Yep, Allie's leaving us.
Bye.
Bye.
What? You're leaving?
Bye.
You can't leave. What, am
I
I
am
just gonna hold the
leaving.
mic?
Here, I'll
just hold the mic.
I'll hold it. It's okay. Awkward. Yes, I'm leaving, and I'm sorry, guys.
Why are you leaving? You don't like us?
No, I do love you guys.
She's going to Fender Guitar.
I am going to Fender Guitars.
Pretty rad place.
Are you
Yeah.
trying to be a rock star now?
I am. Party like a rock star, live like a rock star, you know.
I don't know how to party.
I don't either.
Oh! Whoa! Okay, you don't have to lie to me on your last day. I know.
We gonna party tonight?
Party.
I'm partying.
We're gonna end up in gutters, Jason. They don't
call
call
it-
me Alley Gutter for no reason.
Gutter Gator.
Gutter Gator.
I've been calling her Gutter Gator for the last couple years. Instead of alligator.
Don't
Well,
forget-
it started with Allie, then it was alligator, and then it was
the
gutter gator.
Orphis.
What?
The Orphis, remember?
I think Sanderson deemed you with that one.
Yeah,
The
because
Orphis.
my email was office.predator and Sanderson was right Orphis on accident.
I think he went to public school too.
Yeah, I think so too. It's okay, I did too.
Oh, nice. Welcome to the club.
Yeah.
We'll all be dumb together.
Let's go, Brandon.
Oh, that's awesome too. Because this is huge, folks. Because she voted for him. Now, and again, I don't fault her for it. People make decisions based on rhetoric that all these politicians come out with, and it gives them the ability after they come out and screw everything up to say, yeah, you know what, that was a bad choice. And I gotta say, Allie is killing it, and you have a lot of respect for me because you can see that Brandon's like
Yeah.
a horse's ass.
Wait, what was that?
Yeah.
I was hoping that he would do a lot better because I want the best for this country.
I mean, that's obviously why I voted for him, you know? Like,
Yeah.
You know, I want someone that supports me as a person as well, you know what I mean? Being in the gay community.
What? What?
Anyways.
I think that was, there was like 1.2, it was like 8 months after you were here, you said something like, oh yeah, my girl and I are gonna go do something. And I was like, wait, what? And you're like, what, you didn't know? Like, yeah, I knew. I don't care.
Fly the magic rainbow.
I think that's why you fit in so well here, because
so
we're
too.
all like,
Yeah, we all get along. We're all weird and rainbowy in our own ways.
yeah. If anybody says they're not weird, you better
Then they're
watch out
absolutely
for them.
weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you're just a dude's dude, you know?
Dude, yeah.
Dude.
Say, sweet.
All right, bye, Allie.
All right.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Allie.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.